let us look at a basic 10-minute body conditioning workout that we can do, and also let us look at how to get this additional 10 minutes from our daily schedule as a bonus tip. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe below. We all know that exercising is important for our body, but having said that, due to our busy schedules, we will be skipping it most of the times. In this video, let us look at how to exercise in spite of having a busy schedule, and also let us look at how to get that additional 10 minutes as a bonus tip. Without much delay, let's begin the workout. Let us begin with the hip rotations, anti-clockwise direction slowly for 5 counts, and then moving on to the clockwise direction for the 5 counts. After this, let us start with the hand rotations, forward direction for 5 counts and reverse direction for 5 counts. Let us stretch our legs as well. Make sure that your legs are double the width of your shoulders and your knee doesn't cross your toe level. Hold your back straight and core tight, and bend and touch your legs. So let's begin the workout. Now let us do some slow jog. Now let us begin with squats. Hold your back straight, core tight, and shoulder width legs, and make sure that your knee doesn't cross your toe level. You can either hold your hands at the back of your neck or you can hold it in front of you. You just go down and come up. You can either do quarter squat, half squat, or full squat. Let's begin the workout. Now let us do some push-ups. You can either do it on the floor or on the compound wall, or you can use a straight wall. You can hold it and you can do the push-ups. I'll be showing you it on the floor and you can do it. Let me begin with the instructions. So do not go way too down or way too up. Just stay straight. Let's begin. Now let us do some high knees workout where you will be lifting your legs forward as high as possible, or maybe at 90 degree in front of you. And let me show you first so that we can begin. So just lift your legs up and hold your back straight and core tight, and we can begin. So let's begin the workout. Now let us begin with the next workout, which is lunges. I'll show you first. Take one leg forward. Make sure that your knee doesn't cross your toe level. Go down and make sure that you form a 90 degree and the other leg should not touch the ground. Hold your back straight and core tight, and then come up. Change your leg and same, repeat. Now let's begin with the workout. Now let us begin with the next workout, which is plank salute. I'll show you first. Go on a high plank position and then just touch your shoulders alternatively. Change. So let me show you from the front as well, so that you will be clear on this. So just on the high plank position and then touch your shoulders alternatively. So let us begin with the workout as well. Make sure that your back is straight and core tight. So let's begin. Let us begin with our next workout, back kick. We'll just be kicking our back and your legs will be always behind you. So let's begin with the workout, and hold your core tight and back straight. Let's begin. Now let us do a 1 minute plank. Let me show you first. Just go on the ground. You can either do high plank or you can go on your elbows. You do not go down or do not go up. Hold your back straight. Clear? So now if you are a beginner, you can also go on your knees and you can continue. Let's begin the workout. Now that we are done with the workout, but yet cool down is left over, so let us begin with the workout. Let us do sit-ups first, shoulder width legs, and go down. Stay there for a duration of at least 3 seconds. Stay there, stay there, stay and up. Let me do it from the side as well. So again, go down, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there and up. Let us do it once again. Go down, stay there, stay there, stay there and up. Now let us do some lunges stretching. One leg forward. Make sure that your knee doesn't cross your toe level and have a 90-degree back straight and core tight. Do not touch the ground. Do not put pressure on your knees. Stay, stay and up. Change your leg. Go down. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay and up. Once more. Right leg forward, go down, stay, 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 stay and up. Last one, left leg forward, go down, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there and up. Now let us do some hand stretching. Hold your right hand forward and hold it with your left hand and push from your right hand and pull from your left hand. Push as much as you can. Change the hand. Push from your left hand and pull from your right hand. Once more. Push and pull. Last one. Push and pull. That's it guys, we are done with the workout. I know you all are waiting for the bonus tip right now. Now here comes the bonus tip. But first thing, we must be having that mindset to work out on a daily basis, and it is important for us to exercise regularly, at least 5 times in a week, and we must be having this mindset. That is when this bonus tip works. Now what is that bonus tip all about? We all have this habit of keeping an alarm for 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7, 7:30 at a round number, correct, right? So from today, let us make a small change. Let us keep the alarm at 5:50, 6:20, 6:50, etc. Just 10 minutes before to what we were having an alarm. Now that will give us an additional 10 minutes for our workouts. Please do comment below like how this tip is helping you. And just remember a small thing. If you are not able to include the workouts in the morning duration, you can include it at the night. Just 10 minutes before you hit the bed, just have a workout, have a cool down, and then you can go and have a good sound sleep. If you are liking my content, please do like the video, and also please do not forget to share with your friends and family so that everyone gets benefited. And also subscribe to my channel to keep receiving the updates. Do not forget to click on the bell icon.